Hi, I'm Sabrina from Inglés con Kilian. I teach English with my husband Kilian in Alicante to companies and professionals, and we also have an online membership program. You can check it out in the links below. Today I want to talk to you about common pronunciation mistakes. These are mistakes that are coming up regularly in our class, so I thought it could be useful to do a short video. Okay, the first two words are pronounced in a similar way with the UIT ending: biscuit, circuit. Okay, so CUIT, kit, biscuit or circuit. Okay, when it's UIT with fruit, it's pronounced oo, fruit. Okay, I like to eat fruit and biscuits for tea, for example. Then you have liquid and squid. Or another example of a QUI word is to quit. Okay? So QUI, quit. Liquid, squid. I quit my job. Okay? Suit is another UIT word with pronunciation like fruit. Fruit, suit. So biscuit, circuit, fruit, liquid, squid, and suit. The next ones that are difficult are with Y and J. The first one is to yearn. To yearn, the verb means to desire, okay? I yearn for holidays, or I yearn for the hot weather to come back. Not yearn, yearn. So it's almost like another vowel. You say yearn, yearn, okay? The next one is yacht. So if you notice, my mouth is coming back like an E, yacht, okay? I yearn to have a yacht. Okay, the next one is J, jet, and Y, yet. Okay, so I yearn to have a yacht or a jet, but I don't have one yet. Okay, so jet, we pronounce the J, but yet is again very soft. It's like a vowel. Okay, yearn, yacht, jet, yet. The next one is muscle. The C is silent, muscle. The next one, can't. Be careful with this because you have to pronounce the T in a hard way. If you don't, it sounds like can, which is the opposite of what you're trying to say. I can't understand what you're saying. If this is difficult for you, you can say cannot. I cannot understand what you're saying. But if you want to practice it, practice with a hard T. Can't. Two more words that are difficult for people. Vegetable. So the second E is almost not there. Vegetable. And schedule. Schedule. Okay? I'm going to say these again, and I'm going to leave a small space for you to repeat. So if you want to practice, here we go. Biscuit. Circuit, fruit, liquid, squid, suit, yearn, yacht, jet, yet, muscle, can't, vegetable, and schedule. How did you do? If you enjoyed that, please hit the subscribe button and you will receive notifications of future videos from us. And also, if you would like your own free ebook, very practical step-by-step instructions on how to improve your English by yourself, click the link below and it will bring you straight there. Good luck with your English. See you soon.